Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. When we think of prawns, the first thing that comes to our mind is crisp fried prawns. So today, let's see how to make rava fried prawns. So for the prawns, I'm going to make a nice spice mix. I've got 10 cloves of garlic, ½ inch of ginger, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, a cup of finely chopped coriander. Just going to squeeze in an entire lemon. Now we're going to grind this to a fine paste, adding very little water. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of water to this. Let's add a little more water. Our paste is ready. Here I have ½ kg of shelled and deveined prawns. I'm going to simply add this paste to the prawns and apply the paste evenly to all the prawns. Let's keep these prawns aside for at least 15 minutes to get marinated. So we've marinated the prawns for over 15 minutes. The more you marinate it, the better it will taste. Here I've already kept a tawa to heat with lots of oil because we're going to shallow fry these prawns. So we're going to simply coat these prawns with rava, suji, and just put it in the oil. Let's flip these prawns. They are done crisp on one side. The prawns are fried evenly and crisp on both the sides. Let's remove them from the oil. We finished frying the prawns. There's a slight technique to make the prawns crisp. Basically, you heat the oil till it's smoking hot and then reduce it to a medium, and then you add your rava coated prawns and fry them. So now let's plate these beautifully fried, crisp rava fried prawns. So our rava fried prawns are ready to be served. You can serve them as a starter. You can have them with your simple dal chawal or the traditional Maharashtrian sol curry and rice. So do try this quick and easy recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.